Hi there, I want to share some add-ons I've developed mostly for personal use with the help of ChatGPT. I'm not a professional coder, so I hesitated to publish my work, but I've been convinced that even simple tool can be valuable, so I decided to give it a try. If you find this useful, let me know in the comments. Your feedback means a lot to me. The add-on addressed to small but annoying task, syncing colors and transparency between shading and viewport display. This is often tedious manual process, but this add-on makes it quick and effortless. So what does this add-on do? It syncs base color to the active material, all materials to selected objects, or all materials to this scene. Alpha for transparency in the same way. Everything is done with a single click or by combining with Shift and Control. Click, sync the active material, Shift click, sync material for selected objects, Control click, sync material to the entire scene. Why is this useful? Minimal efforts required. Simple and intuitive functionality. Saves time without needing bulky add-ons with extra features. Where to download? You can download the add-on on my Patreon. The link is in description below. If you'd like to support me or share your feedback, you can do so there as well. Your feedback will help me to decide if I should continue sharing other add-ons I've made for myself, but that might also be useful for others. Thanks for watching and see you soon.